Hi friends, welcome to our channel, welcome to your channel. Friends, yes, I am making the videos for your purpose only. In this busy schedule, we are making the videos for your purpose only. I hope that you are enjoying our videos. At the same time, you are practicing in the description link what we have to kept in that subject questions. Now, dear friends, in the coordinate geometry, today also I am going to explain with the smart tricks upon previous examination questions. Let us see in this part. The first question will be the points A 1 comma 7, B 4 comma 2, C minus 1 comma minus 1, D minus 1 comma 4 are A, B, C D points are vertices are given. Which of the following points are belongs to collinear or vertices of a square or vertices of a rectangle? None of these. Which are these? This kind of question actually under 4 marks question in a traditional exam, board exam. But this is 1 mark question. How can we solve? What is the traditional method? Let us see. First, what is given among A, B, B, C, C, D? For example, we have to go with any rectangular collinear. Collinear means rectangle. This is square among square. A, B, C, D means all sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Square. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal, right? And diagonals are bisect each other. And collinear, A, B, C means sum of AB plus BC plus equals to AC. We should get. Then in these 3 conditions, which is satisfies, then we have to get that is our option. Before that, we have to do first find distance between AB. Here also AB, BC, CD, DA we have to find. Here also AB distance, BC distance, CD distance, DA distance we have to find. Here also AB, BC, AC also we have to find. First of all, we have to go this AB. A value, B value. What is A value, children? 1 comma 7. B value 4 comma 2. Put x1, y1. Put x2, y2. Then we do fastly. x2 minus x1 whole square. 4 minus 1 whole square. Then 2 minus 7 whole square. Nothing but 3 square. This is 5 square. 3 square 9, 5 square 25. Nothing but root 34. AB equals to root 34. We are getting. Okay na? Next to BC. What about BC? BC. B value right. C value right. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square. 25, 9, 34. Oh, it is magic. It is coming. Root 34, root 34. Maybe BC, AB over, BC over, CD. CD. C value. I mean, we have to go with anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction. Okay, no? AB after BC, BC after CD, CD after DA. We have to find like this. CD. C value right, D value right. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. That means minus 3 whole square. 4 minus of minus 1 plus 5 whole square. Children, already you know very well in first part we have explained very clear. That is the reason I am doing fatafat. Minus 4 in formula minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Like that. 4 in formula minus is there. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Minus of minus plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. That is the reason I am doing it. It is a competition style now. So that is we have to habituate it, right? Now, this is also 9. This is 25. Nothing but root 34. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are coming root 34. Usually, DA also you should get root 34. No doubt at all. No doubt at all. DA also. Now, as usual, diagonal. AC. A, C. A is what amount? 1 comma 7. C is minus 1 minus 1. A 1 comma 7. C minus 1 minus 1. Again x2 minus x1 whole square. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Children, very easy. Minus 1 minus 7. Minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 whole square. So 4, 64. Root 68. Next AC diagonal over. Next BD. B value, D value. B value what amount from the question? 4 comma 2, D value minus 4 comma 4. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. Y2 minus y1, 2 whole square. Y2 means 4, y1 means 2. 4 minus 2, 2 whole square. So nothing but 64 plus 4. That is nothing but 68. Yes, diagonals also equal. All sides are equal. In a polygon, in a quadrilateral, all sides are equal, diagonals are equal. Then it is called forms a square. Answer will be square. Children, if you do this one, it's like a board exam. We are appearing in April exam. That is a kind of board exam. But it is in competition. You are my SS Maths Academy viewers. And you have to get the answer fraction of seconds. No, that important technique now I am telling to you. Let us see. 5 seconds. I told you, the paper setters have a idea to make a question paper. The student has to solve the answer before 1 minute. That technique they put in the question. That technique we have to pick it out. Ante question paper 1 minute lo చేసేయలేని వాళ్ళు క్వశ్చన్ తయారు చేస్తారు. ఏదో ఒక లాజిక్ పెట్టి తయారు చేస్తారు. అది మనం బయటికి లాగాలమ్మా. అది చూడండి, అదేంటో చెప్పిస్తాం. మన స్టైల్ చూడండి. రైట్, కమ్ టు పాయింట్ దట్ పాయింట్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. హియర్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ ఏసీ డయాగోనల్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్స్ బీడీ. ఓకేనా? ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ యూ హావ్ టు సీ. +1 -1 0 అంటే మీన్స్ +1 here alternative 1 - 1 0, 7 - 1 6. AC alternative. I'm checking some of that. Next BD alternatives 4 - 4 0, 2 + 4 6. So AC values, BD values, if you are doing adding or doing midpoint, or you can do x1 + x2 by 2, y1 + y2 by 2, 0 by 2 2, x1 + x2 by 2, 1 - 1 0 by 2 0, y1 + y2 by 2. For suppose 7 - 1 6 by 2 3. So 0, 3. Here x1 + x2 4 - 4 0 by 2 0, 2 + 4 6 by 2 3. So the midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD. Then it is called vertices of a square. Then it is called vertices of a square. Then very easy. No need to do this all the explanation part, right? Here P divides the line joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 internally in the ratio m1:m2. Then P. This is 100% content based question. m1 m2 m1 m2 here plus. This idea you see very easy. m1 m2 m1 m2 internally internal means plus, external means minus. So m1 + m2. Here I should apply x2 x1 1 2 2 1. You see magic. x2 x1 here also, y2 y1. This is your answer. m1 x2 + m2 x1 by m1 + m2, m1 y2 + m2 y1 by m1 + no need to confuse, no need to take any options. Direct answer. This is a 2016 paper. These all the questions are 2016 paper. AP Polyset and TS Polyset papers. So that is the reason they are asking formulas also. So ratio given here m1 is to m2. You can go with m1 m2. Here mn given, mn given. You can go with mn like that. Okay na? Clarity? You get the idea? Right. Next, the distance between the points A 4, 3, B 8, 6. I told you distance between is under the square root of x2 - x1 whole square plus y2 - y1 whole square. x2 - x1 8 - 4 whole square plus 6 - 3 square under the square root 16 9 √25 value 5. So where is your answer? 5. Clear dear students? Right. Next, the points A 1, 5, B 2, 3, C -2, 3 are vertices of a right angle triangle, vertices of an isosceles triangle, collinear, non-collinear. Which is correct? I said collinear. Sum of these any two sides equals to third side. This is a collinear. Otherwise, it's not a non-collinear, right? Now isosceles means any two sides are equal. Right angle triangle means AC square equals AB square plus AB square. Which is correct? We have to check it now. First I should take AB, BC, CA. I have to find. Okay na? AB 1, 5, 2, 3. You can write like this, no problem. B 2, 3, C -2, -3, CA -2, -3, A value 1, 5. Okay, I have to do directly. You see, 2 minus 1, 1 square, 3 minus 5, minus 2 whole square, nothing but root 5. 1 square 1, minus 2 square 4, 4 plus 1, 5, root 5, that's it. Next, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 whole square, minus 3, minus 6 whole square. Children, nothing but 16, 36, nothing but root 52. In negative, power should be, we should get positive number, na? Next here also, 1 minus 2 plus 3 whole square, y2 minus 1, y2 5, y1 minus 3 plus 3 out. So x square, nothing but 9 plus 64, 73. So in this, any you have to add any sum of any two not equals to AC. For example, AB is root 5, BC is root 52, CA is root 73. If you want to add AB plus BC, AC or any add, now we are not getting anything. So that is the reason AB plus BC not equals to AC. Any two sides also not equal. It's not a isosceles triangle. Okay. Now square of 5 over 10 is nothing but here 52 plus 5, 57. Here 73. It's not a right angle triangle. Now option collinear or none. What is the collinear condition? AB sum of any two sides equal third side. So AB plus BC not equals AC. It is not a collinear. So AB plus BC not equals AC means it is a non-collinear. Absolute answer is non-collinear. Children, remember. Okay. The midpoint of A 1 comma 5, B minus 2 comma minus 1 is simple of midpoint formula. X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. X1 plus x2, that means 1 minus 2 by 2. Y1 plus y2, y1 5, y2 minus 1. So formula plus is there, here minus is plus into minus, minus 1 by 2. X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, 4 by 2. So final answer minus 1 by 2 comma 2. Okay na? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is a collinear. Anything you can do A, B, B, C, C. Here I have done this answer. I am applying my concept fastly. You can do slow also. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Like that you can do, you will get the answer. Now let us see some more important questions. You see in 2017 they are giving maximum 7 questions in 1 year, one paper, 2017 policy. They gave 7 questions, 7 marks. Dead easy. Keep in your packet. Very easy. Let us see that questions. In my way I should explain. You can keep in your mind, then you will get perfect answer. If a line makes an angle 45 degree with positive x-axis, then yes, I told you, if an angle in the inclination of angle making with positive x-axis, then it is called slope of the line. When the angle is given, that time what is the formula we should use? M equals tan theta. When the angle is given, the formula should be M equals to tan theta. Tan trigonometric ratio we should apply here, and theta here, what is the angle? 45. Tan 45. Tan 45, 1. That's it. Answer is 1. Okay, sir. If I know the trigonometric table, I don't do this also. Yes, you are right. If you know the trigonometric table, sin 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2, 1. That's it. Tan 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. If you know like this, you can write the answer. Tan 45, 1. That's it. Tan 60, root 3. Tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 90, infinity, tan 0, 0. Like that you can say the answer in the exam. Okay na? When it is possible, if you know the table. And most of the students are asking, sir, we want trigonometry. Definitely this Sunday I have to make a trigonometric video in full-fledged. Up to that you can get better, right? Now next question. If k comma 2 lie in a second quadrant, then what about minus k minus 2? Children, this is a Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Here k comma 2, this is lies in Q2. He said according to this question I am telling you. K comma 2 lie in second quadrant. What about minus k? These two are having complete negative opposite direction. Plus k plus 2, minus k minus 2. Quite opposite. In our concept, in Q1 plus, Q3 minus, quite opposite. You see, in our concept, here minus, here plus will be there, here minus. Here minus plus will be there, quite opposite in number, plus minus. Like that, k plus, quite opposite. Here, this fellow is there in Q2. Now both signs are will be changed. That fellow go to opposite direction. What is it? Is Q2 means it is what, Amma? Q4. So answer is Q4. Very easy. See children, my concept is clarity. I am telling very clarity. Plus plus here there, minus minus here there, quite opposite. Minus plus is there, reverse order and opposite signs here will be there. Here plus plus here will be there, opposite direction Q4. Here 2 will be there. This is 4. So K plus 2 here there, minus K minus 2 will be there at Q4 means quadrant 4, fourth quadrant. Answer is this one. Okay. Next, the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals 0 lies in which quadrant? Which quadrant? Sir, these were, what are these, sir? Simple, Amma. You don't worry. Actually, we have to do from equation 1 and 2 solution, then we should get x and y value. No need to do anything. Just trial and error method. Yes, you should apply one here. In the place of x1, in the place of y1. In the place of x1, in the place of y1. Okay, na? 2 1 is 2. 3 1 is 3. Minus 1. 3 plus 2, 5. Get cancelled. We are getting 0. LS is equal to satisfied. 3 1 is 3. 4 1 is 4. Plus 1. 3 plus 1. 4 minus 4. 4 plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. 0. We are getting LHS equals RHS. So which is satisfied? 1 comma 1 satisfied. Where is 1 comma 1? Plus 1 plus 1. Where it is? Q1. Plus 1 plus 1. Where it is located? Q1. Q1 first quadrant. The answer will be first quadrant. How it is easy. Okay? Right. Otherwise you can do from equation 1, equation 2 equal the x coefficient, cut the x values, get the y value substitute in first equation, you will get the x value. It will take minimum 2 minutes. But it is trial and error method. 5 seconds answer. You see 1 1, 2 plus 1 3, 5 minus 5 0, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 0. LS is equals RHS. When it is possible? When x equals 1, when y equals 1. Plus 1 plus 1. Which quadrant? First quadrant. Okay, na? Now 0 0, 1 0, 0 minus 4 are the vertices of a dash. Friends, here equilateral, isosceles, right angle, isosceles, right angle. If you do AB, BC, CA, you will get the answer. I have one more idea. Now this question I have to tell you. The idea is you can draw the diagram. Origin. No. 0 0 where it is better? At origin the point should be x comma y value must be equal at origin. Yes, this is the time to say that point. At which area x and y coordinates should be equal? At origin only. At origin x equals 0, y equals 0. Now 0 0 at here only. Next 1 comma 0 here. On x axis y coordinate should be 1 comma 0 here. This point name is A for suppose. 0 comma minus 4 y value minus 4 down only 0 minus 4 here. This is B. You join these points? Yes, absolutely. You are getting right beta, right angle triangle. This is your answer, right angle triangle. Right angle isosceles not equal. This is complete right angle triangle here only. Okay. Next, if you draw the diagram, then you will get the answer like that answer. Otherwise, you can do AB plus BC plus CA, then AC square equals AB square plus BC square. You will get the answer definitely. If 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 1 are collinear, then k equals. When the vertices are given, we have to find the collinear two methods. AB plus BC equals AC or 1 by 2 mod area of triangle formula. Right? Here, which one we have to apply? Okay, na? First, let us go with, I have to tell you logic method. Don't go with area of triangle formula, lengthy formula. I have to tell you directly shortcut. I should go with A to Q. A to Q, answer to question. But suppose I choose 1 instead of k. So 8 comma 1, 1 comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 1. A, B, C. Slope of AB equals slope of BC. Slope of AB equals slope of BC, then equal, that is the perfect answer. Let us see. What is the slope formula, children? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 1 minus 8. y2 minus y1. y2 minus 4. y1 minus 1 minus 5. x2 1, x1 minus 8 minus 7. Here BC, slope of BC. Okay, na? y2 minus y1 plus 1 minus 1, x2 minus x1 3. Not equal. So this is not an option. Next, take 2. In the place of take 2. No. y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, x2 minus x1 minus 6. This is also not equal. 5 by 6 minus 1 not equal now. Check it. y2 minus y1 minus 1, x2 minus x1 0. It is not a option. Okay na beta. Next, third one, instead of this one, y2 minus y1, y2 minus 4, y1 minus 1 and minus 5, x2 minus x1 minus 5, y2 minus y1 minus 1, x2 minus x1 minus 1, minus 5 1 1 1. Yes, LH is equal to RH. Then it is our answer. 3 is the perfect answer. Nothing to worry amma. Like this technique you should follow. You will get beautiful marks, good marks, extraordinary marks. Now see children, come to the one more here questions. If the slope of the line through 2 minus 7 and the x comma 5 is 3, then x equals dash. I told you in the question what is the key term, we have to round up it. Slope. Yes, slope is given. What is the slope of two vertices? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us take here x1 y1, x2 y2. Here only you have to write. If you write in the question paper only like this with the pencil or black color pen, you can write it. No need to go for rough paper. Side only go to the answer. Then the time is saving for us. Okay. Now y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 7 plus 7, x2 minus x1, x minus 2 is given 3. Okay na? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. But when you are substituting the values, the plus into minus you can see very carefully. Okay? When it is possible, by practicing many questions, it is possible to you also. So y2 minus y1. Here minus 7 formula minus of minus 7 plus 7. x2 minus x1 like that. Now do the cross multiplication. 3 into x, 3x, 3 2 is 6. 1 into 5 plus 7, 12. 1 into 5 plus 7, 12. 12 1 is 12. That's it. Now 3x equals to 12 plus 6. Minus 6 transfer right side becomes 2 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. X equals to 6. 3 1 ja 3 6 is 18. So the value is what amma? 6. Clear? Have you understand? Very clear? Very nice. Next. If the distance between the points cos theta sin theta minus sin theta of cos theta, like these questions are coming in the exam, very beautiful interesting answer will come. Root 2 answer. Okay, let us see. x1 y1, x2 y2. What is the formula? x2 minus x1. Distance means x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus sin theta minus x1 minus cos theta whole square plus y2 cos theta minus y1 sin theta. Children, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, a minus b whole. What is the meaning of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab means sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here minus 2a value minus sin theta, b value cos theta, and means minus of minus plus 2 sin theta cos theta beta. Children, here one important concentrating point. A square minus sin theta whole square sin square theta, b square cos theta whole square cos square theta, minus 2ab actually, minus 2ab, but a value minus sin theta, that is the reason minus of minus plus sin, plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Next, cos a square plus sin theta whole square means sin square theta minus here 2ab, 2 into cos theta sin theta, minus 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta get cancelled, plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta get cancelled. Here what are the values? Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. According to the trigonometric first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Here also this term also sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. So root 1 plus root 1 root 2. I told you direct answer because I know the process is I know. Simple 5-second answer. Cos sin cos, cos sin cos, alternative there. By doing x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means sin square theta cos square theta we will get sin square theta cos square theta 2 sin square theta 2 cos square 2 common, root 2 common, inside value 1, root 2 into 1 2, root 2 you will get that answer. Remember, root 1 plus root 1, root of 1 plus 1, root 2. Next, the number of elements in a triangle. Okay, elements means it's not a chemistry. In a triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles. How many elements? 3 sides, 3 angles. Total 6. 6. 3 sides, 3 angles. 6. Simple question. The following equation, line passing through the origin. Which line is passing through? Simple amma. Y equals to mx line. Y equals to mx line passing through the origin. Standard question. Formula question amma. This is a value. This is x and y intercept form. This is a slope line equation. Slope gradient form. Gradient form slope equation. So this is only passing through the origin. Okay no? Next. Okay. Next. But for example, how it is sir? How can you say? Means for example, you can take x equals 0 amma. Y equals 0 will come. You can take x equals to 1. Y equals to 1. Like this. They are getting same values. So m is 1. Here if you take x equals 0, m into 0, y equals 0. If you take x equals 1, y equals m. So y equals m means slope and y. This is equal line. So that is passing through the origin. This is passing through the origin. This is line only. Very important. Slope gradient form. Okay. Now, very interesting question. The area of triangle having the sides 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. Find the area. When the sides are given, we have to find the area. I told you Hero's formula. S of S minus A, S minus B, S minus A. Because RRB exam, NTPC exam, this kind of questions will be useful for you. Here, I told you how you will get a sum of A plus B plus C by 2. A value 3, B value 4, C value 5. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, nothing but 12 by 2, nothing but 6. S value 6. Now substitute 6, 6 minus, 6 minus, 6 minus. These all are S values. A, B, C, we have to substitute later. A value 3, here. B value 4, here B, here C, value 5. 3, 2, 1. Here 6. 3 into 2 again 6. 6 into 6, 6 square. Square root cancel. Answer 6. Okay, very clear. Very easy answer also. Okay, area should be 6 cm. That is the way we have to find easy manner. But this kind of question this year will not come. Next year it will come. Full syllabus. Dear students, now let us see last 5 questions. Some very interesting questions are there. Yes, the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 3, minus 5, 7, minus 7, 4 and 10, minus 2 is. What is the keyword, dear friends? Yes, you are right. Absolutely. That is centroid. What is the centroid formula? Yes, when the vertices are given, the centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Here x1, x2, x3. Let us check it. 3 minus 7, 10 plus 10 by 3. y1 minus 5, y2 plus 4, y3 minus 2 by 3. 13 minus 7, 6 by 3. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus 3 minus 3 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 3 1 ja 3. 2 comma minus 1 is the answer. Yes. Okay. What I have done? Just simple x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 means 3 minus 7 plus 10. 3 plus 13 minus 7 plus 6 by 3 minus 5 y1 plus y2 plus y3. So minus 5 minus 7 minus 2 minus 7 plus 3 minus 3 by 3 minus 1 plus 2. That means 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 3 1 ja 3. 2 comma minus 1 is the answer. Okay. Next. The point 2 comma minus 3 divides the line segment joining the points minus 1 comma 3 4 comma minus 1 in the ratio. What is asking now? Ratio is asking. Okay, no problem. What is the formula, section formula I should apply here? Yes, the point dividing point P of x comma y equals m1 x2 m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 by 2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula which is dividing internally. In this you should substitute the values. That's it. What is the values here? This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. This is the dividing point. This is PM1. These 2 points you substitute. I have to tell you shortcut also. while after substitution, I will tell the shortcut. Let us see. 2 comma minus 3, that is equals. Okay, na? I don't substitute second value. I have to substitute only first value because that is I want to follow the shortcut. M1, I don't know. M1, M2, I don't know. M1, M2, because I have to find M1 and M2 ratio only. What is X2? 4. What is X1? Minus 1. In the place of X2, I have to write 4. In the place of X1, minus 1. I should compare to first coordinate to first coordinate. This second coordinate, I could not substitute it. Okay, na? Now, here 2 is equals to 4 into M1, 4 M1, minus 1 into M2 minus M2 by M1 plus M2. Children, you do cross multiplication fatafat. 2 into M1, 2 M1, 2 into M2, 2 M2, that is equals 1 into 4 M1, 4 M1, 4 M2. Sorry, M2. 1 into 4 M1, 4 M1, 1 into M2, M2. Separate the like terms. Here, separate the like terms. 4 M1 minus 2 M1. Here, 2, here, minus M2 come to this side. 2 M2 plus M2. 4 M1 minus 2 M1, nothing but 2 M1. 2 M2 plus 1 M2, 3 M2. Now M1 by M2 is equals 3 by 2. The ratio is 3 by 2. 3 is to 2. Where is 3 is to 2, dear children? Easy or hard? I should not substitute the second values because enough. I want to ratio. That's it. If you substitute, you will get same answer. 3 is to 2, no doubt at all. Okay, clarity got it? Next. What I have done, let us see. In the place of x comma y, this is dividing point, substitute. Now M1 has to write, M2 has to write, x2 value 4, x1 value minus 1. Substitute. After doing this, do the cross multiplication, you will get the ratio, right? Next. If 5 comma 2 is the solution of 2x plus 5y equals to 20, ax minus by equals 0, then a comma b. It is already solution of this question number. This may be solution of this question. I have to substitute in the place of x. This is a x value, this is a y value. So substitute. Ax minus by equals 0. X value 5. 5 into a, 5a. Y value, here 2 given. 2 into b, 2b. X value 5, y value 2. X value 5, 5 into a, 5a, y value 2 into b, 2b. 5a minus 2b. Here in the terms of x, in the terms of ab. We could not find it from equation 1 and 2 because it is not possible, but logic is there. Trial and error method, which is satisfy this equation. Let us see. Here he is asking AB, no better. These means these are all are AB only. These are all are AB only. I should take first one. A value 2, B value 5. Substitute. Is equals to 0. 5 2 is 10. 2 5 is 10. 0. 0 equals 0. Yes. LHS equals RHS satisfied. So perfect value is 2 comma 5. This is the answer. Okay. Now more logic is there. More logic. By seeing the question we have to say the answer. By seeing the question we have to say the answer. That option, that logic is for your specially my children. Here 5 comma 2 given. Na? Here 2 5. Here 2 5. Here we are after substituting 5 2. These two are interchanging. You remember now. You have to remember. Here 2 5. Okay. That is your answer. 2 5. That is your answer. When it is 5 2, here becomes to 2 5. Here 5 2 is the solution of this one. Here the 5 2 will be interchanging. So here 2 5. Here 5 2 interchanging value 2 5. 2 5 is the answer. That's it. By seeing the question, you can say the answer. Any kind of question. Yesterday I told you, how to find the distance between the points without the first value, second value, signs will be changed. Then we can write direct answer 2 plus 2 like that. Same process you see. Here 5 2 interchanging. Here also that is the answer. Okay. Next. See children. Best of my knowledge explaining to you. You do one thing. Share the videos. Do the subscribe. And give likes and comments to our program. Because you should give encouragement for us. We can do more videos like this. Okay. Now, if minus 2 comma 1, 4, 1 comma 0, 4 comma 3 are consecutive vertices of a parallelogram, then find fourth what is? A is parallelogram. This is our parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Here A given, B given, C given. Find D. Is asking the fourth vertex. In this time, we should follow the beautiful technique, easy method. Yes. These two diagonals are intersect at O. So midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. We have to do. That's it. Answer will get. Amma, first you write AC. A value -2, 1. C value 4, 3. A, C. B value, second point, 1, 0. D value we don't know now. X4, Y4. Because fourth vertex, X4, Y4. First vertex, X1, Y1. Like that, fourth vertex, X4, Y4. So, we have to do X1 plus X2 by 2. -2 plus 4 by 2. Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Here also, X1 plus X2 by 2 means X4. Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Y4 by 2. Now these two are equal because diagonals are bisected O. Okay. So comparing to first, second to second. So -2 plus 4, 2 by 2, comma 1 plus 3, 4 by 2 means 2. That is equals 1 plus x4 by 2, y4 by 2. 0 plus y4, y4 amma. So 2 by 2, 1 amma. 1, 2. 1 plus x4 by 2. This is y4 by 2. Now compare it. 1 is equals to 1 plus x4 by 2. 2 1 is 2. Do the cross multiplication. Here 1 plus x4. So x4 equals to 1 transfer left side becomes to -1. That is equal to 1. x4 equals to 1. x4 equals to 1. Answer. No need to y. No need to take the y because I want x4 y4. First value is x4. Where is the 1? x4 is 1. Where is the 1 here? Nothing. Here only there. That is the answer. Right, my dear sir? Oh, you want to check y also? Okay, no problem. y4 by 2 is equals to 2. 2 cross multiple. 2 into 2. 4. y4 is where is 4? Here. That's it. Next. Last but not least. Okay. If P of 3, 4, Q 7, 7 are 2 points and PR is questioned when they are collinear, then R equals to dash. Very beautiful and interesting question. Let us see. See, learn here P given, Q given. When the 2 points PR equals 10, that means I have to thought collinear. Collinear means 3 points are in a single state line. 3 points are. This is P for suppose. This is Q. This is R. We thought P value given 3, 4. Q value given 7, 7. What is R value? We don't know. That we have to find. But this length is given amma. This is 10 centimeter for suppose given. Find out. Simple manner. Simple concept. Midpoint found here because Q is there in midpoint. It is there in midpoint or not. When do you know that? For example, the length of PQ will be 5. It is in midpoint. Then we can apply midpoint formula. Children. Once again. P given, Q given. Length of PR given. Find R. These are collinear. Collinear means P after Q, Q after R will be there in lying single state line. So for suppose Q will be in middle, we should find midpoint one. When it is middle, total length is 10. Half of 5. It is 5 means it is middle. Then it is 5 or not, we have to check when it is possible. Yes, distance between these 2 points, we have to check it. Now PQ distance will be under the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1, 7 minus 3. y2 minus y1, 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 3, 4 square, 7 minus 4, 3 square. Nothing but 16 plus 9. Nothing but root 25. Nothing but 5. Yes, this length is 5. Half of it. Half of 10. Yes, it is a midpoint. Absolutely midpoint. Then we can go. Midpoint formula. That's it. Q midpoint. Midpoint of Q equals x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. Children, Q is, we are getting Q. 7, 7 given in the question only. Here, this is x1, this is x2. 3 plus x by 2, 4 plus y by 2, 7 comparing to first value, 3 plus x by 2. Do the cross multiplication, 7 2 is 14, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into x. So x equals to 14 minus 3, that is 11. X equals to 11. Where is 11? Oh my god. 3 options are having 11 only. Oh, what is the question? Now go with y. Comparing to y also. 4 plus y2, y by 2. 4 plus y by 2 is equals to also 7. 7. 2, 7 is 14. Here 4 plus y. So y is equals to 14 minus 4. Y is equals to 10. Y is equals to 10. Where it is? X 11 amma. Y 10. 11 comma 10. Where it is? This is answer. Okay, na? These are the questions I explained with smart tricks. With smart tricks. You have to observe. In any book, this kind of tricks is not there, amma. I practiced many times. I got a knowledge from my best of experience. I am explaining to you. It can be useful for each and every student. Those who are watching our channel regularly, that students definitely will get the rank. My blessings too with you. Until then, watch our videos regularly. Practice well. Bye bye.